Okay, so this is part 2 in my series on my purchase of a Dickies 3-tray plus a hatcher incubator. So we're gonna go ahead and open the small box, and I think this has the trays and probably the hardware for the incubator. So here we go. So here is the box that has all the trays and hardware. So that's a very nice, well put together little welded tray right there. These are the egg holders that obviously sit inside of the trays, just like that. This looks like it's my water basin. Here's the hydrometer. I got the clear door on mine, so this will go right inside of the door. I think these are part of the hardware. More hardware. The installation instructions right here. And as you see, more hatching trays and egg trays. So I will go ahead and get all of these out so I can get this aspect of it set up. And then we'll move on to the big box, which I'm sure will be very exciting, and we'll just keep going from there. So this is part 2 of my purchase and assembly of my Dickies incubator.